Today we are changing the cabin filter on the Alfa 159 right-hand drive 2008. So you open your glow box, you pop this little plastic, you will find a screw which I already removed, which is 20 Torx, that one, which is here. Located here. I used a small ratchet, a 20 Torx bit, and basically you have those clips, 1 and 2, which you have to pop. So you have to do this, pop it down, same story with that one, same story with that one. Just pull it down, comes off. So you have a 5.5 millimeter screw, so which is there. So you're going down there, you unscrew the screws, which should be just one, the way it looks of it. Taking the screws off, open the flap, and here is your pollen filter. Thanks for watching.